Hello everyone, let's start with a command create and drop database. So firstly, open the MySQL command prompt. So go to this window and write here MySQL. So I'm opening it, MySQL. It will show here command line prompt client. So just click on it. After clicking on it, it will ask for the password. So yes, it's open right now. Here enter password is come. So as our default password is root, so just write it and open. Now it's open. So before creating any database, let's check the databases available. So the command for checking the available databases is show databases. Right? It's balance. Just be and write and at last put semicolon and then enter. So these are the databases that are available currently. Now, we want to create our own database. So just write here, create, and let's create with XYZ. Create database. Name database का name हम दे रहे हैं XYZ and semicolon. So query OK. One row affected. It means our database is created. So let's check. Show databases. Some spelling mistake. It will be okay. The databases that we have created XYZ is now listing here. Means our data is being created successfully. Now we want to just drop database that is available in this ABC. What will be the command for it? The command for deleting the database will be drop database A, B, C and semicolon. Now query OK, 0 rows affected. It means the database that we have chosen ABC is now being deleted. Now let's see the list. So databases. It's again spelling mistake. Now see here the database ABC is not now available. That was available before. It means the database that we have dropped is now deleted. So these are the two basic commands for starting the MySQL. Is first to create database and then to drop database. Now we'll further study about more queries. I hope you like video up to this, and if it is useful and you like it, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.